a warm welcome from Apollo Hospitals. I wish to request Dr. Rohini Sridhar, our Chief of Medical Services of Apollo Hospital Group, to give opening remarks for this webinar on Ebola virus. She has over 30 years of service at Apollo Hospitals and she's from All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. And she's our visionary leader who continuously sets benchmarks in patient safety and clinical quality for Apollo hospitals and provides inspiration every day for all of us here at Apollo.
Thank you, Danya. It is my privilege to be here today when we have a combined national and international panel and experts of repute who are going to talk to us about the Ebola virus. If there is something that we learned from the pandemic of COVID 19, it was that you need to be prepared, and preparedness often takes a fairly long time. You need to be aware, and that awareness needs to be disseminated not just in the medical community, but outside as well. And we need to know what to do, how to do it. So, as a part of Apollo Hospital's commitment, both to create awareness within the Apollo ecosystem among our healthcare personnel, as well as to create awareness outside the group about what should we be looking for and how should we move ahead. I think this is a step in the right direction. We are very privileged that we have today two experts, both from Nigeria, who deal with both adult and pediatric infectious disease and will cover the complete spectrum of Ebola virus and how do we approach a case of Ebola virus. We are also fortunate to have Dr. Pragya Yadav, who's from the National Institute of Virology at Pune. So we put together a very distinguished panel. I think there is a lot for us to learn from their experience and expertise. And I also think this is a way that we build up collaboration which is not limited by geography or distance. And it's very important that we have more such collaborations in exchange of knowledge and exchange of best practices so that we will be best prepared to deal with any medical challenges that may come this way. I'd also like to thank Dr. Danya Dharmapalam, who is the national coordinator of our AMSP program, for taking up this initiative and putting together this program. And look forward to a very interesting 60 minutes. Thank you, Dr. Danya.
Thank you so much for your encouraging words.